Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set reminders on the Rootly application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then you should tap on the My Stats icon down below. Now tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on the set reminders option, which is the first one. Here at this page you can select when you would like to get reminders about certain activities that you need to do, such as writing your journal, doing your breathing exercises, and your meditation or visualization exercises. You can select the date or the hour of these activities. You can either set it to AM or PM, and you need to press this button next to it in order to turn on the notifications. You can also add it to your calendar by tapping on this Add to Calendar button and then tap on OK. So now it will be added to your calendar. And then if you are done with these steps, all you have to do is clicking on the button Save down below. So now this function has been updated, so the reminders will notify you when you need to open the app and complete these activities and exercises. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.